Next, I would move into the explain phase, and this is where students are going to be sharing their results, telling me why they think, and pair sharing and seeing if they all came up with the same ideas, if other students had different ideas. Some things that I would ask them is, how did you know that only some of the light would pass through and not all of the light? And hopefully they would say, because on the wax paper there obviously is something in front of it, so some of the light could go through, but there is going to be something that prevents all of the light to go through. We would also watch Generation Genius Induction to Light video, and we would watch this as a whole class. And this would help us understand different types of light other than a flashlight, because there is other types of light, such as the sun, fire, TVs, cell phones, computer screens, lighters or matches, or lights on printers. There's all kinds of lights all the time. And so we would talk about different kinds of light. And my students would be reading closely literature and informational texts and viewing multimedia to determine meaning and convey its explicitity and implicity through language. So this is very EDL standard. This would be meaning that we would be reading what we're writing or reading the different post-its that are on the post-it boards. That goes back to the engage phase. And then they would also be watching different multimedia, such as the video that we would watch as a whole class. Now, a discussion that we would have after watching the Generation Genius is, what are some other types of light that you have in your home, or that your parents use, or that you use? Because everyone's probably going to be a little bit different in what they have in their home. And hopefully I'm able to get some of those answers, like the sun, fire, telephone, TV, computer. Hopefully I'm able to get some of those answers. And then I would have students share aloud what happened when they shine lights on different objects. So if I have early finishers, I would ask them to go to their desk, try different lights out on different objects, and we would share aloud what would happen whenever they shined it on those different objects. And we would also share aloud and discuss what would happen on the list of objects that they would be getting if they shined a light on. Because some students may see light coming through a different way, and some may not see any light coming through. So it would be a great idea to have a good class discussion and discuss what every student saw as they were participating in this experiment.